Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video is about a wavy ribbon. You can do this for like a flag or anything that's waving in the wind. Let's move this one out of the way. My suggestion is use the freehand tool, but set your smoothness on 100. And then just make that's a little bumpy right there, but see how the smoothness tool took that out? And you can still take out nodes. And, well, we won't want to do that, but you could, we got a little click on the node right there. It's kind of turned at an angle. There we go. And let's bring this down a little bit. Maybe, that didn't look too bad. Now you could use, with the pen tool, you could use the parallel drawing tool, but a lot of times you're going to get that. So my suggestion is just to take that line, Control D and make a duplicate, and just kind of move it down and off. And then Control D again, Control D again. You need 4 lines to make 3. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a 2-point line, and we're just going to go from that node to that node, and then we're going to cut these off. I don't need to cut them off, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them off, kind of give you some feel. Now the next thing you need to do is take a 2-point line and kind of watch what you're doing, and see that's a little high on the middle part of the ribbon. So we can take our shape tool and move it. We just want it touching, overlapping just a little bit. We're going to come back in just a second and trim those off so the Smart Fill tool will work better. Here it's a little easier. And let's look at that a little closer. That doesn't look too bad. One more line. We're going to go from there to there. But see, we're not touching. So you need to be touching. So I'm going to take the shape tool and actually go ahead and touch that line. And we're pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take away these lines, even though it doesn't really matter. Now what we're going to, and you could, there's 2 trains of thought. You could smart fill these things in. One way, I don't like doing it this way. Let's pick blue. You could do this, but then you have to go back and weld those together. So my suggestion is just kind of look at it the way you look at it and take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. So then delete this line, delete that line, delete that line, delete that line, delete that line. So you've got the flow of the ribbon. We don't have to do anything on the downside. On this side, delete that line, that line, that line. I might be a little bit off on one of these lines, so we might have to go back. But to make the Smart Fill tool work better, we're going to go ahead and just take away that line, take away that line. And then we're going to go and, that might be right. Sometimes it's a little bit confusing. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line, that line, that line, all these lines, that line, that line. And you can see we're off a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and delete the straight line on both of these. See, we're just a little bit off. But as long as we don't have a leak with the Smart Fill tool, we'll be good. Now, I don't probably need to, but as always, I'm going to take a rectangle, so if I do leak, it'll show through. And I'm going to go ahead and do blue. So that one is this one. That one is this one. That one is this one. Go ahead and change your color to, we'll go ahead and use red. So red, 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 red. Now it looks white, but if I take my rectangle and turn it black, That looks pretty cool. Go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, and you can see my lines now. But then you can take white or any color, fill that in, and don't forget to select it all and right-click No Outline. So then you have no outline, and you could make this color yellow, dark blue. I think black's going to make it stand out the most. But the possibilities are pretty endless on this of what you could do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.